Pressure stable, water temp holding at 40 degrees. Debris clearing on block 3, proceed to rinse 4. Initiating flow sequence now. Slicing at optimal speed. Temperature holding steady at 62 degrees, gloss level is optimal. Confirming phase transition. All parameters green.
The honey passes through multi-stage natural filters, removing micro impurities.